Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating what often blocks sign-in, the network and account. First, check Xbox Live status and make sure your router is online. Once done, power cycle the router and modem for 60 seconds. Next, verify you know the account email and password and have access to the recovery phone or email for two-step verification. Finally, perform a full console power cycle by holding the Xbox button for 10 seconds. Then restart. This refreshes cached auth tokens and network interfaces. Now you dive into the middle steps that usually resolve login failures. Connect the console via Ethernet to isolate Wi-Fi issues and run the built-in network test. If packet loss or DNS errors appear, switch to a public DNS like 8 temporarily. If network looks fine, remove the Xbox account from the console and immediately re-add it, entering fresh credentials and any two-step codes. Make sure the console OS is up to date. And if login errors persist, clear the alternate MAC address and reboot to reinitialize connection settings. Finish by verifying end-to-end functionality. Sign in and open the store and multiplayer to confirm services are reachable. If you still see errors, reinstall the Xbox app or game after confirming your subscription and billing details are active and parental controls aren't blocking access. If problems continue, try signing in on another console or the web to determine whether the issue is device-specific or account/server side. This one key troubleshooting step isolates the source so you can target the fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.